the air pump for the air brakes has locked up. So, I suppose that's a risk for buying a 1993 International School Bus. Here's the new Bendix air pump. Isn't that pretty? I took the liberty to buy new plugs because some of the journals in this were plugged off from the one that's in the bus. Trying to save a little bit of labor, it was only $5 for the plug, and the other ones look like they're rusted in pretty good. I'm going to start off first with taking the intercooler pipe off. Gotta love those stainless steel clamps. There was a time when the school board really took care of things. That's a creepy look. I see you. Oh, right, there we go. That's quite a bit more room. Oop. That's a coolant line. Now we have a bucket. We're going to catch as much of this as we can. We got all that fluid drained. More fluid than I thought. Almost 2 gallons. This one should be air intake. This one here is really stuck. One thing that I did forget to mention was that yesterday I did spray this down with PB Blaster and also release the air from the system. I believe it would be quite dangerous working on this thing if it was still under pressure. So I'm going to take the bolts off that I can see. And now for the back side of the compressor. Alright, started with the wrong 4 bolts. I'm not even sure if it's necessary to remove this one, because I think there's a gasket in between these 2 plates. So I have a suspicion that that hose will stay there, and these 2 plates, which is the bottom of the compressor and the mounting plate, will have a gasket on it. So I don't think I needed to remove that hose. 4 bolts looks like all that's holding us in. We'll know better here in a minute. Round 2. And there you go. It's out. Not without giving any blood though. Alright, well I've already loosened this nut to remove the pulley. Now we'll see if my Harbor Freight tool pulley puller will remove this pulley. It doesn't have the same quality as a $300 puller, but
It worked.
saved me $300 this time. Looks like we're gonna have a little rain delay. To the shelter, Batman. Well, welcome to Florida. It's been raining for 3 days, pretty much straight. So, you do what you have to do. You throw up a tarp and get to work. Today we're going to go ahead and transfer all the fittings over to the new air compressor pump. And here it goes. Lightning. Welcome to the lightning capital of the world. Really taking their life in their hands with the weather and all. Life's pretty cheap for that type. You really have to see this. It's really pretty cool. It's like a little piston engine in there. A 2-cylinder. That's just so fascinating. The rain seems to be slowing. I needed to clean up this groove on this pulley from when it ate the belt the last time that this pump ran. So I'll be right back.
Are you what?
Are you hurting?
No.
Well, you should be, because you just fell from heaven.
Oh, sure.
in, air out, water in, water out. And these are the pressure switches, I believe. And there we go, we're done. Now back to the bus.
Yay, bus!
That was a wrestling match.
Are you a WWE superstar now?
I feel like I've been thrown under the bus. The 60-40 is good for minus 62 degrees. We're gonna give her a go if the battery's not dead.
Oh.
That's still a possibility.
Alright!
But I've got high hopes.